if it's not, then you have a problem. I mean, another trade-off, which is not in magnitude, is not as great as what we're seeing now over the last several years with AI, is just electrification of the transportation sector. So, if you decide to get an electric vehicle rather than your gasoline or diesel powered vehicle, so, you might feel that, oh, that's great for the environment, and it is for localized air pollution that comes out of the tailpipe of an automobile, for example. I should say that. But in terms of carbon dioxide, now what you've done is that you've shifted to electricity. Now, electric vehicles, in an engineering sense, are actually more efficient than internal combustion engines. So it's not going to be the same. It's not one-to-one. But if you live in Colorado and now you've increased electricity demand for your electric vehicle charging, and you're essentially getting coal-fired power, unlike Massachusetts, where it's going to be renewable or hydro that's imported down from Canada, or a little bit of renewable. It's a very different situation. This is a huge problem. I mean, increasing electrification, and it's been happening in the U.S., even more so in China, of course, and and in Europe, is increasing energy demand. Now, if electricity demand, if the grid is moving systematically from fossil fuels to renewables, then in terms of climate change, well, that's okay. That's a positive result. But if it's not, then you have a problem. And so that applies to AI. So there is tremendous increase in demand for electricity.